Hi, I'm David with Nissan of Cookeville. Today we're going to be going over our complimentary 27-point inspection. Today we'll be breaking down the multi-point inspection by starting with the exterior. Now moving on to the underhood inspection. Let's move on to the under-vehicle inspection. And while your vehicle's in the air, we'll have the opportunity to check your rotors, brake pad life, as well as your tire tread depth. Today we covered one of many complimentary services here at Nissan of Cookeville. Stop by the service drive today for your complimentary 27-point inspection.